Hey everyone, welcome back. So this one is about the IMS screen that I got. Pretty relatively cheap. I'll put a link down to Amazon below. So this is just apparently a improvement to the stock screen that was on here. This doesn't have the Nanotech, so there's two versions. The more expensive one has the Nanotech, but you can't use cleaning agent with that, whereas this one you can. So this one I'll show you what the stock one looks like in a minute, and on the back you see it's pretty even. That's how it comes in the box. So let me just pause this and I'll show you how to take off the screen. All you need is a flat flip screwhead driver. If it's too long like it is now, take the trip tray off. It might be easier to do it. There you go. So you just need a flip screwdriver and you turn it clockwise. If you're looking down, turn it clockwise. So just turn it this way. Try not to strip the screw. I'm pretty sure that's easy to replace, but that's the original screen. You can see it there. Focus. Just a little bit dirty. There you go. So you can see, oh, that is very dirty. Look. There you go. And then, yep. So give that a good clean as well. So the thing I found with this is the stock one screw is, if you can see, actually flush with the screen, whereas this one is not actually flush with the screen, but it shouldn't matter. So I'll just put this back in.